Today, we will be answering another NEBOSH IGC1 question. Identify documents that may be examined when reviewing an organization's health and safety management system. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to HSE tutorials. During a review of an organization's health and safety management system, documents that may be examined include 1. Health and safety policy. This clearly shows management's commitment, roles and objectives, and resources allocated. 2. Completed risk assessments and safe systems of work. These tell us how hazards are identified, evaluated, and controlled. 3. Monitoring records, such as inspection logs, audit reports, surveys, and findings that track system performance. 4. Accident and incident data. It includes investigation reports and near-miss records, which highlight failures and learning outcomes. 5. Health surveillance records, which track evidence of how occupational health risks are monitored and controlled over time. 6. Equipment maintenance records, such as document preventive maintenance, repairs, and failures, which support system reliability. 7. Emergency procedure records, which indicate preparedness and any drills or real event updates. 8. Worker complaint logs show areas of concern and how the organization responds, demonstrating feedback mechanisms.